So today I want to show you how I trade around $700 in only 10 minutes. So it was a little risky actually, and as you know, the market is very slow and is not such as like before because the speed is very low, and also I just only made around 700, and I will show you how I trade. Okay, so the next step is also tomorrow is very important day actually. If you're watching this video today, and because tomorrow is very important day for stock, for crypto, for also for forex, is very important, and just make sure to subscribe the channel because I'm going live and I will tell you how you can know about the market. So today, but just go ahead, take the first step. The first step is I'm gonna show you how I trade. As you can see on the screen, I just opened around 5,500 share on Affirm, and I just open it right here. Let me show you, and on the right side you can see the Nasdaq 100, and so in the left side you can see the Affirm. So what I did, I just waited for a good position and I opened a long position just here, and I put my TP around $1,030. So all this position takes around 10 minutes for me, and what I did, I just opened a 5,500, and the market was also so rise it up first, and then they came out today. So today is Tuesday on 21st of the March, and the market was very slow, and also yeah, I don't know why the market in this week, because they are waiting for the news for tomorrow. So tomorrow is very important day. If you trade, just make sure to get good position, and if you are not sure about the market, what's happening tomorrow, just close your position and make it risk free, because tomorrow we don't know what happened. So that's why it's very important to get in profit. So let's go back to the position. As you can see, the Nasdaq will coming down, but Affirm also is going good, and I was also down onto 300, and then I put yeah, so you will see it a little earlier. So you can see I was down around 300, but I just kept the position and I didn't close it because I was sure it will make a new high, and then yeah, but the Nasdaq also was very movement actually. So the first when the market opened, the Nasdaq rise it very high, but after a few, maybe 1 hour, coming down. So that was very risky actually, and no one know what happened to the market. So you can see the Nasdaq is still coming out because the time frame is so it's 1 minute, but Affirm is on 5-minute time frame. So we just waited to hit it. So on the middle of the chart you can see is data level 2. If you want to use data level 2, you need to access the broker. If your broker does not give you access to level 2, so just you can also use the Colmexpro, which I use this platform. I will put the link in description, and then if you go by that link, so you get almost 30-day 1 month free fee, and you don't need to pay any fee to the broker, and the Colmex Pro will give you this option, and so you can trade forex, crypto, and also a stock, which is so the Colmex Pro, which is very good for a stock. So just go ahead, and if you want to change your broker, the Colmex Pro is good option, especially in the stock market. So you can see I'm almost around 300 or 400 in the profit. So the Nasdaq is still sometimes going up, sometimes coming down, and we don't know actually. And today also my friend birthday, so I should go to my friend birthday and he take a party. So we'll go it after this video. I will go to my friend's party, so that's very good also, and also happy for that. And so you can see Affirm is going up, but the point is here, my position was also hit around 950, but I didn't close. So you can see it's almost 600, and it's make a high after that. So it was very close to my target, but I didn't close it, and it came down until 700. But hopefully I just close it, yeah, because I should not be greedy, so that's why I just close it. If I don't close it, so maybe I lost also that one. So you can see the Nasdaq is very small movement actually, so it's not too much, but it's still going well. So The Affirm is still on the good position, and the time frame also is in 5 minutes actually, so it's not 1 minute, but I will change it a little earlier so you can see it. So the Nasdaq making a new higher and a new lower, so that's not too bad. So here was the Nasdaq still going up. You can see the pressure of this sellers and buyers also. You can see on the data level 2 actually in the middle of the chart. So here I changed the time frame from 1 minute, from 5 minutes to 1 minute, and I want to see exactly what happened to the market. So always you can change the time frame to 1 or 2 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, so that depends on you. But at the Nasdaq we can see the market will coming down, so I just was a little afraid, and I still on 600 in the profit, so just waited to. But sometimes there is no correlation between the Nasdaq and also stocks, so that's the point you should know always. But the Nasdaq coming down, and Affirm also is still around 800, and here was almost hit my target, but I need only 1 point to get my TP and came out from that position. So here was okay, I should just close it. On the Nasdaq I can see the market will falling down, and I didn't take my profit with 900, and here I understand the market will coming down, and I just close it here with $700, and after that is going up, but they're coming down after that. So we can see the market coming down. But tomorrow is very important actually. Tomorrow, as you can see on the screen, tomorrow is very important day for traders and also for you. If you want to trade, just be careful, because maybe no one knows at what happening tomorrow to the market. So just be very careful, and also about your money, and don't waste your money, and just be careful. So we have FOMC economic projection, if I can see correctly, yeah. And tomorrow we have 4 important news. If you want to trade, just be careful and don't put yourself in the bad situation. If you want to save your money, so don't trade, and you should not have an open position. Maybe the market going up, you take profit. Maybe the market coming down and you lose money. No one knows. It's your responsibility to keep your money in your pocket. If you want to, yeah, you can. But my experience says do not trade when you don't know what's happening to the market. Okay, so when the market came out with all the news and you get all the data, after that you can trade, because you know what's going on and what's happening to the market. So that's why it's very important if you want to trade tomorrow. So just keep that one, and remember to, if you want to open a new account in Colmex Pro, just click on link in description, and then you get direct to the go to the sign up page, and then you sign up, and then you get 30 days free fee and a spread, so you don't need to pay any fee to the broker. That's a very good option. If you choose that one, you will see it. Because I will also experience with many different brokers, but the Colmex Pro is best because you pay almost nothing to broker. I will also have experience with almost 3 or 4 brokers for a long time, and eToro takes a lot of fee actually. eToro is monster actually, so it takes a lot of fee for you, and but for beginners is also good. So but if you are beginner also, yeah, the Colmexpro is very best, and start with demo account so you can choose it. So you start with demo account, so you don't need to open a real account the first one. So just open a demo account after a while when you get and when you understand how it works. So just so you can open a real account. But also the support is very good, and yeah, I don't want to take this video very long, so thank you for watching guys. But tomorrow you should be very careful and make sure to subscribe the channel, because we have a live video and I will tell you how about and what's going on the market. Thank you for watching. and make sure to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And yeah, thank you and have a nice day.